Dear students of class 1, I am Mrs. Neha Makkad and in this video we are going to solve worksheet number 5 which is based on jumbled words and we have to make meaningful words with it. So students, let us make you first of all understand what do you mean by jumbled letters. Means the letters are not given in the correct form or order and we have to understand the correct word order and make a meaningful word out of it. As you can see children, in the first word, the word is given in a puzzled form. It is not in the correct form. We have to identify the correct word from it, from the letters that are given here. So TAC, it makes no sense children. But what is the correct order? CAT, cat. So it makes sense. Okay. The word has a meaning. So we will write down C, A and T. Now the next one children. RUF. Okay. RUF does not make any sense or meaning. But when we write FUR, fur. Fur is the kind of hair which grows on the body of cat or any other animal. Now the next word children. YALP. So these letters, they again are given in jumbled form. They are not making any meaning. But the same words, if we write like PLAY, play, then it makes sense. So PLAY, play. The next word children. So these again letters MANE, main, it has no meaning. But the same letters when we write as NAME, name, what is your name? So it makes sense. The next one children. Shunt, SHUNT, shunt. Okay. It is not making any meaning. But when we write HUNTS, hunts, the cat hunts. Okay. The cat catches its prey. Okay. So that is the meaning of hunts. So now the next question children. We have to circle the correct word. As you can see here in this picture children. This is the picture of a house. So OUSHE, does it make sense? No, not at all. So which word makes sense? HOUSE. So this word is making sense. So we will circle this word and not OUSHE because it is not making any sense or meaning. The next is the picture of a mouse. So MOUSE. So this is the correct answer, not OUSEM. It is not making any sense. This word is making sense. So we will circle this word. Now students, turn around the page. Now as you can see here in question number C children, we have to find the missing letters with the help of the given picture. So the first picture is of the clapping of hands. Both the hands, they are in the clapping position. So the first word is CLAP, clap. Now students, the next picture is of a slide on which we, like when we go to the park, we slide on the slides. So this word begins with SLIDE, slide. Now students, this is a beautiful dress. This is a picture of a dress. So we will write here DRESS. Now this is a picture of a chair children. So we will write CHAIR, chair. Now the next one children. Now here the pictures are also given and with which the starting words are given of the picture that is there. So let me explain. This first one is the picture of a cheese. The mouse eats the cheese. Okay. So this is picture of cheese. So they have not written the entire word cheese, we have to match with the starting letter. So for your understanding purpose, I will write the spelling of cheese here. As it starts with CH, now we will match this cheese with this CH. Now this is the picture of a cloud, okay? So what is the spelling of cloud, children? C-L-O-U-D, cloud. It starts with CL. So we will match this with the CL standing for cloud. So this is the starting words. We are matching the picture with the starting words. Now this is the picture of a tap. But what is coming out from the tap? This drop of water. So DR stands for drop. The beginning word is DR. So we will match this with the fourth one, this is DR for drop. Now the next one, children, we can see the picture of bathroom slippers. So slippers, okay. So what is the spelling of slipper? S-L-I-P-P-E-R. So this starts with SL. So we will match this last picture with SL because the beginning word here is SL for slippers. So that's the end of our worksheet, children. Thank you, children.